Tesla has long touted the super safety of their crash technology. And now, the evidence is in.
Teslas are not only known for its all-electric environmentally friendly characteristic, but also for the amazing safety features it offers. In the past years, Tesla has received several 5-star ratings for its remarkable safety features. But how do Teslas have the highest safety ratings in the world? Before we dive right into it, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Tesla.
Tesla is by far one of the most successful companies in modern history.
Tesla Incorporated is a US-based electric car and renewable energy corporation. The company's headquarters is located in Palo Alto, California. With a market share of 16% in the plug-in segment and 23% in the hybrid electric segment in 2020 shipments, Tesla is the world's best-selling plug-in and battery electric passenger car maker. Tesla's goal, according to CEO Elon Musk, is to help drive the transition to renewable transportation and electricity, which can be done by electric cars and solar power. However, that's not the only thing Tesla is good at. Apart from being environmentally friendly, Tesla's cars are also known for their incredible safety features. Tesla's cars have been regularly receiving 5-star ratings from various testing institutions and organizations. These include European New Car Assessment Program, Euro NCAP, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. So let's dive right into exploring what are the different ways in which Tesla's cars are being tested, and what are the secrets behind the cars being so strong and safe in crash situations. The Model 3.
You also now can travel further from a full charge in every version of the Model 3.
The Tesla Model 3 is an electric sedan, first produced in 2017. The manufacturing and selling continue till date, and the model is actually the world's best-selling electric car. The Model 3 has an electric range of 263 miles, or 423 kilometers, according to the EPA, while the long-range variants have a range of 353 miles, or 568 kilometers. The Model 3 has completely self-driving hardware, according to Tesla, with occasional app upgrades adding more features to the vehicle. Apart from being a top seller in not just the US, but also globally, the Model 3 is also well known for its safety features. The Model 3 won the institution's 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus award after scoring nice in all 6 IIHS accident exams. Also, the compact car had to pass a headlight inspection and an evaluation of the frontal crash avoidance mechanisms. The success is a clear recognition of Tesla's protection programs, which CEO Elon Musk has often lauded. The Tesla Model S sedan had previously been reviewed and performed admirably, not just well enough to win the award. After conducting a set of evaluations concerning hybrid vehicles, the IIHS, an auto nonprofit sponsored by insurance providers, declared the award on Thursday. The Audi e-tron, a Tesla rival, was the only other pure battery-powered vehicle to achieve the highest Safety Pick Plus designation. Euro NCAP test on Model 3. The Model 3 is an all-electric plug-in hybrid, which means it lacks an engine in the front compartment like a traditional combustion vehicle. Instead, the hollow steel and aluminum at the front of the vehicle crumple, deflecting the impact away from the passengers. As you can see here, the travelers are completely unharmed. In particular, the dummies portraying the driver and passenger were green around the body in this test performed by safety experts Euro NCAP, indicating that they were safe and secure. 3 scored highly in a variety of tests, including head restraints, roof strength, seating, and automated driver assistance systems, thanks in part to the car's advanced safety technologies. Let's look at some of the features that make the Model 3 one of the best cars ever made, with the assistance of safety organizations like IIHS and Euro NCAP, who conducted the crash testing. Passive safety devices that hold you secure in a collision are known as passive protection. As a result, it relies mostly on airbags, seating, and the vehicle's layout. The roof crush measure shows how solid the car's foundation is. The roof intensity of a vehicle refers to its capacity to shield passengers in the event of a rollover. The roof of the car withstood a force of more than 20,000 pounds during the drill. That's more than if 5 Model 3s were stacked on the car's roof at the same time. The roof outperformed all other completely electric cars IIHS has ever tested in terms of strength-to-weight ratio. The roof received a G, or good ranking from the IIHS, which is their highest rating. Number 1. Safety Assist Score.
All the empty steel and aluminum at the front of the car crumples, drawing the shock of the crash away from the occupants.
The Model 3 steps up in the Safety Assist Score, which measures the vehicle's basic safety features. Autopilot, an integrated driver assistance technology that provides active cruise control that can shift directions while holding the vehicle in its direction, was not evaluated by Euro NCAP. Instead, the emphasis of this evaluation was on the car's active protection technologies, such as the Automated Emergency Braking System, or AEB, and a system that stops vehicles from drifting into another lane unexpectedly. Under Euro NCAP's newer 2018 to 2019 review guidelines, the Tesla Model 3 earned the best safety assist score ever. In 2019, Tesla introduced an over-the-air software update that enhanced the AEB framework on all Model S, Model X, and Model 3 vehicles installed in October 2016. In May 2019, Tesla added lane departure avoidance and emergency lane departure avoidance to its list of new features. As per Tesla, engineers used information from the sensor suite of each and every Tesla produced from October 2016, and also reviews from drivers, to obtain a deeper insight into how people act behind the steering wheel. This information was used to develop more precise prediction models, allowing the features to help prevent or eliminate injuries. Number 2. Airbags.
But airbags, seat geometry, and restraints also contribute to a higher occupant protection score.
However, seat geometry, airbags, and restraints all serve to enhance passenger safety. A dense curtain airbag and a specially designed front passenger airbag shield a passenger's head from the car's A-pillar and center screen in the Model 3. You will see that the grease paint smeared dummy's head collided with the airbag. Number 3. Active safety, emergency brakes.
The car earned a superior rating in front crash prevention for automatically stopping at the obstacle.
Although passive security refers to the solutions that allow a car to avoid a crash in the first place, active safety refers to the systems that help a car avoid a collision in the first place. The Model 3 comes fitted with a range of driver assist functions, including an adaptive emergency braking device that senses hazards and comes to a full stop on its own. IIHS put the Model 3 through its paces by driving it at 12 miles per hour and 25 miles per hour towards a stopped item. For immediately halting at the barrier both times, the car earned a superior ranking in front crash prevention. In Euro NCAP's passive protection checks, the Model 3 stood out. In the Safety Assist division, the Model 3 earned a whopping 94% for immediately stopping for pedestrians and bicycles, as well as correcting inattentive driving. In this emergency lane-keeping exercise, the Model 3 crosses over a white line denoting the lane's edge. Heading for an oncoming vehicle, the machine immediately intervenes, pushing the car back into the road. Model 3 is not the only car.
According to the company, it's the most technologically advanced car it's ever made.
While the Model 3 has earned high marks from the IIHS and other safety organizations, it is only one of several cars that have received high marks. The Lexus ES350 and Mercedes-Benz C-Class won top honors in any division, while the Audi e-tron, a hybrid plug-in car, received the IIHS's Best Safety Award as well. The Hyundai Nexo SUV, a hydrogen vehicle, achieved performance similar to the Model 3. Everything but the driver's side slight overlap front inspection, which was scored acceptable, and the headlights, which were rated poor, earned good ratings when the Tesla Model S was last tested in 2017. Tesla has found protection a priority in its Model 3 marketing. The 2019 Model 3 earned the highest 5-star safety award from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus chart, which was established in 2013, currently contains 48 cars and trucks. The Model Y.
The Model Y, we expect it will be the safest mid-size SUV in the world by far.
The Model Y is Tesla's most recent 5-star safety-rated vehicle. Tesla's cars have been nailing the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA's, crash tests for years, and the Model Y is the latest to do so, scoring 5 stars in every category that the institution tests for crash safety. Side crashes, for crashes into both a wall and a pole, frontal crashes, with subsections for both the driver and passenger seats, and rollover situations are among the crash test metrics used by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The Model Y receives 5-star ratings across the board, though these are only for standard human-piloted situations, not Tesla's self-driving Autopilot mode, as with previous NHTSA assessments. The Model Y also joins the Model 3, Model S, and Model X SUV in having perfect car safety ratings. Before the NHTSA revamped its guidance to exclude impossible ratings, the Model S was issued a 5.4-star rating. Whether it's Model S, Model Y, or the world's best-selling Model 3, Tesla has proved to produce cars that can be trusted for the driver and passenger safety. The amazing ratings by various organizations are proof of the engineering that makes the cars remarkably safe for customers. And that's all for today's video on how Teslas have the highest safety ratings. What do you think is the best safety feature Tesla offers? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications.